Today we're learning English by going on a hike in Sydney, Australia. It can be dangerous if I go too close. Over these rocks, we have a friend. I don't want to slip. Did you know with only 3,000 words, you can understand up to 90% of spoken English? And the best way to learn? Comprehensible input, or learning through context. Seeing, doing, experiencing. And that's why we're here today. I'll put a word count up on the screen and let's get hiking. Okay, we have our first decision to make. Which direction are we going to go? On our left, there is a road that's for cars. On our right, we have a bridge over there. We don't want to go across that yet. We want to go straight. It's not exactly straight, it's a little bit to the left, but we're going to go straight and have a look at the riverside walking track. All right, so the track starts quite easy. We have some wooden boards making a walking path. It's very sunny today, so I had to make sure to wear my hat to protect my face and my body from the sun. Luckily though, we're getting into a more bushy area. There's a lot of trees and nature around, so it's shady now. It's not as sunny. The sun cannot come through the trees, but we have some more sun ahead, so we need to wear the hat anyway. Hey look, we found some ducks just chilling by the side of the river. They're so close to me. I guess they don't mind being with people. I'm still very close to the road here. The road is right there. You can't park here or anything, but the road now ends. The road stops. It finishes. And now we're really getting into the walking track or the walking trail. I'm hoping to see a lot more animals. Look, there's still a lot of ducks around here, but these ones are obviously used to seeing a lot of people. But as we get deeper into the trail, hopefully we will see some more animals. There's a lot of Australian animals you can see in the bush here. We call this the bush. What some people call the forest, we usually call the bush. So I'm hoping we see some cool animals. Otherwise, just enjoy the beautiful scenery on this wonderful sunny day in Sydney, Australia. Do you see that? That's a bush turkey. A little bit different to the turkeys that you eat. I'm actually not sure what their formal name is, but we call them bush turkeys. We see them all throughout Sydney. I need to be careful here. It can be dangerous if I go too close, but we can safely enjoy the river. For anyone who goes hiking a lot, you're probably watching this and you think, oh wow, so easy. There's actually stairs, but we're still only at the start of the hike, and this is an easier hike. There are definitely more complicated ones, but this one is a very casual hike. So we're just enjoying today, and hopefully I can find some cool things to help you learn English. Let's keep going. We have some more wooden steps. I'm going down the steps over these rocks, up, and now down. Very carefully. Wow, this edge is quite steep. It's very steep. You don't want to fall down there, it's very steep. This now opens up into a picnic area. There is a table and some chairs just over there, or a bench and a table. Chairs would be individual chairs. This is a bench, or these are benches. this here. This long thing is a bench and a table in the middle. We just call it a picnic table or a picnic bench. Wow, it'd be really nice to come out here and cook some food and enjoy the river with your friends. We have a friend. Can you see him in the middle there? Right there. That's a lizard. He's in the shade to hide from the sun. Cool. Oh, there he goes. We're going to leave him alone. Let's not hassle him. There are actually so many lizards around, so I'm going to keep walking so I don't disturb them enjoying the sun. Anyway, that was a picnic area. Apparently only lizards having a picnic today. So you may have noticed that this hike goes along this river. It follows the river. This hike goes along the river. And it keeps going for some time. I don't know if I'll make it to the end, but let's see. Okay, look here, we have two pathways. We can go left or we can go right. But looking left, this looks like it's for cars, like maybe not people driving who are visiting the park, but maybe for people who work at the park. It doesn't really look like you would walk this way. So we're going to go to the right and continue on this dirt path or this dirt trail. So let's go to the right. The good thing is I cannot get lost on this trail because it's just along the river. You just follow the river and you won't get lost. There's not too many people around, so I still need to be careful. But here and there, sometimes I will see someone else. But right now, there's no one, just me. Oh, we have a little bridge here, just a small bridge. Maybe sometimes this floods with water, especially after the rain. I'm sure a lot of water comes off the mountain here. Not really a mountain, more of a hill, but the water would come down and flow under this bridge into the river over there. Another bridge here. This one's a wood one, but you can see where the water would flow through, go under the bridge and out that way towards the river. Right now it's a super hot day though. It's so hot. So it's very dry. There's not a lot of water. But of course, when it rains, this would get flooded with water. I need to be careful where I'm walking. I'm still seeing so many lizards out today. They love this hot weather. So let's be careful. I'm coming through. Sorry guys. They're not moving. This is really his home and I am the guest in his home. He does not want to move. He does not want to move. I'm going to have to go around, but he's not moving. Maybe if I walk this way. Okay. There he goes. Yeah, he didn't want to move. So we had to go around. There's a turtle there. Oh, did you see the turtle? He swam away. That was so cool seeing that little turtle. But we scared him. The turtle got scared, so he went and hid. He swam away and went to hide from us. That was a kookaburra, an Australian bird. They make kind of a laughing sound as their call. Hopefully we can see one so I can show you. I'll keep an eye out. I will keep an eye out for a kookaburra. And more turtles, I hope. It's getting a bit darker now. This is a very dense part of the forest. The trees are very dense. The trees and bushes are dense. So I need to watch where I'm walking. I need to be careful I don't step on anything. But it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. I love this walk. I love these big rocks and that green stuff on the outside. That's called moss. This rock is covered in moss. This rock is covered in moss. Oh, I found a clearing. So there's less trees here. It's a clearing. There's a table here. I'm going to stop and drink some water. Got my water bottle. I'm sweating a little bit. It's not a difficult hike. It's not difficult, but it is very hot today. So I'm drinking some water. I'm drinking some water from my water bottle. Okay. We're now hydrated. Let's go. I'm not sure how far I'm going to walk. It can be quite a long track. I think it's about, well, it's not that long. It's only about 5 kilometers, but that's one way. One way, it's 5 kilometers. It doesn't loop around. You need to walk back. So in total, it would be about 10 kilometers, maybe a little more. Which again, for pro hikers is not bad, but on a hot day like this, all by myself, I might not go the full distance. I like that there's a lot of benches in this park, so it's a nice trail to walk if you want to bring your lunch and have a seat in nature. It's a beautiful spot. There's a lot of facilities. There's bins, benches, there's even bathrooms or toilets along this trail. So this is very beginner friendly. I keep stopping to look in the water to see if I can find any more turtles, but no luck. When we saw that turtle earlier, we were really lucky. They're very shy, so they hide a lot. They're very hard to find. Turtles are really shy, but let's keep an eye out. I'm still searching for turtles, but I'm not seeing much. We slowly walk up the stairs. We're a bit higher now. Oh, and then another hill, and it's quite steep. Okay, let's do it. Let's walk up. Oh. I thought the trail goes to the left, but it actually goes to the right. I think this is just from the rain, when the water flows down from the rain. So we're going to go to the right. That's the trail. Wow, look at that beautiful moss. That beautiful moss on the rock. It's so hot today. I think I'm going to stop here and start walking back. As we go back, we need to go the same way that we came. So I'll keep an eye out for anything cool. Hopefully we see some more animals, but because it's so hot, I think a lot of them are hiding away until tonight. Right now it's still early afternoon. Let's head back. No bikes. You are not allowed to cycle along this path. No cycling. You are not allowed to ride a bike. Walking only. It's quite funny. I've lived in Sydney, Australia for most of my life. And sometimes I take for granted just how much beautiful nature we have right here that's close to the city, close to our homes. So I don't go out a lot, or I don't visit places that are close to my home a lot. I need to do this more often. I know it's there, but you just think, oh, I don't need to go, I have that at home. But you never actually go out. So I'm trying to challenge myself to explore new places close to home. And you can come with me. I will speak simple English, and you can learn through context, through comprehensible input. Wow, look at this cool tree. I missed this when I came here. So that tree has been ripped out of the ground. That's all the tree roots. Look at that. I think it's been like that for a long time. But the wind must have blown it, or something pulled it down and just ripped it out of the ground. Cool. It looks like that tree also fell down. You can see the roots of the tree, so it also fell down. It was ripped out of the ground. What's he doing on the seat? He's sitting on the bench. He's sitting on the bench. The lizard is sitting on the bench and looking at me. I just noticed this log. It's hollow. Can you see inside there? Is that someone's home inside the log? I made it back to the wooden bridge, across the bridge. Okay, I'm about halfway back, and I was just thinking, it doesn't feel hot anymore. I think it's cooled down. And then I got to the sun. It's still hot. It's still very hot. So this sign says that this spot is a canoe launching area. That means if you have a canoe or a kayak or something, this is where you can put it in the water. You can launch your canoe right here, near those little duckies. These stairs are quite steep. There's not many of them, luckily, but we have to go up. Okay, I'll stop whinging and I'll just go. Let's go. Oh, you can tell I don't do this a lot. Okay, we're actually making fast progress. We're back here where we go back down now. I need to be careful. I'm going to use the little steps actually, just to be safe. I don't want to slip on the dirt. So let's use these steps. And we make it back down to the small bridge. I remembered that there is a cafe near the start. I don't know if it's still open though, because I would love to buy a coffee. The cafe's closed. Let's just get back to the car and go home. I remember coming down these stairs earlier. These really nice stairs that are surrounded by lizards. The lizards are just everywhere today. These steps are carved into the rocks. Look at that. It's just carved straight into the rock. I'd love to go out there on a kayak or a canoe. It looks so beautiful, so nice. But for now, up these stairs and back to the car. I'm back at the start on that pathway that has the fence alongside it, the super safe path, which means we're almost back at the car. I've been walking really fast, so I'm quite sweaty and a little bit out of breath. Definitely need to get the fitness levels higher. But this was a fun hike. It was a very short one, but it was a hike. It was on a hiking trail or a walking trail. You can call it whatever you want, but I really enjoyed it. I need to get out more and do this more often. Leave a comment and tell me what new words you learned in this video. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be doing many more comprehensible input videos to help you learn English.